Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi guys, how are you? I've taken once again, or after a long time, next question on sets. Today's topic on finding cardinality if the information are in percentage and a number. In a question, if you get most of the information in percentage and one or two information are in numbers, then how to find out the numbers, right? Cardinality means numbers. Let's see, very important question, one of the important question. In a group of students, it was found that 35%, so percent is okay, 35% of students like maths, okay, 30% account, all right, and 3000, this is a number, these two are in percentage, these two informations, but this one is in number. Students study like both, and this is the both, and 50% like none of them. 50% like none of them means, okay, complement of, right, none. Draw the Venn diagram to illustrate the above information. Okay, so firstly we have to draw the diagram and then find the total number of students in the survey. Okay, let's see how to find out. Solution in a very simple way we will do. All right, so one of the very important question, and I'll tell you how to simplify the calculation also. First of all, we write down, okay, this one, let it was found that 35% students like math, okay, students here, right? Let M means who like math, and next subject is your account, A. So listen to me everybody, okay, as I told you I guess in the earlier videos, capital letter we use, okay, capital letter, as we know the sets are represented by capital letters, right? Simply capital letters. Let M and A denote the sets of students who liked maths and account respectively, then we need to write down the information, okay? So see the last, okay, top to bottom, okay, you have to read out the questions top to bottom, okay, possible, okay, before doing, okay, so try to understand the meaning of each and every word, okay. Once you are clear each and every term of the question, then only you can start, okay, stepwise, okay. Thereafter, okay, we write down the information. N of u means, okay, total, as we know, right, total number of students, okay, you write down, okay, like this, total number of students, lack of space, I'm not writing so far, total number of students, okay, you can write down, say x, okay, variable, because we need to find out, okay, it is required thing, total number of students, okay, N of u, and then next math, 35% like math, no, only just liked, okay, 35%, not to write like this way, 35% of x, you need to write down like this way, 35x over 100, no need to simplify. So if you keep in this form, it will be easy later in calculation, okay, so no need to simplify the fraction. So I'll tell you later, you will know. And then N of M, N of account, okay, N of account, 30%, very important questions and easy way we are going to do, 30x upon 100. So there are another method also in terms of percentage also we can do, right? So this one is also better one. And 3000 students liked, okay, both. So for both we have N of M intersection A equals to 3000, right? 3000, and 50% like none. For none, okay, we use okay this one. N of, right, complement of M union A equals to 50%. 50% of X means 50X over 100. Okay, 50X over 100. So now clear? And then okay, draw the Venn diagram, illustrate the above information, find the total number of students. Okay, alright. So we have written okay all information. Alright, all information, whatever we need, okay. So 35%, okay, and math 35%, account, who like the account 30%, and both 3000 and a none. None means complement of M union A, N of M union A complement means 50% of X, done. Draw the Venn diagram. Now two things we have to do. One thing we have to draw the Venn diagram, another thing total number of students. Okay, I need okay space. Now I'm going to erase okay. I'm going to erase okay this thing from here. Two things. We have to represent the information in a Venn diagram, and then we have to find out the total number, right? So how to find out? Let's see. After this, I'm writing here representing the information in a Venn diagram. Let's make, as you know, we make rectangle. Rectangle represents universal set. Here n of your total X, and then inside the rectangle we write down two intersecting circles. Here one mathematics, you will touch this circle, and here account like this way. Intersection 3000, okay, and then n of m, as we know, total we have n of m, we have 35 x upon 100. So here we will write down like this way, 35 x upon 100 minus 3000, right? So I couldn't get here space, that's why I've written little bit down. And next here, as we know, this one is n of a 30x upon 100. So 30x here we can write down. Total is 30x upon 100 minus 3000 minus 3000. Okay, minus 3000. All right. So I guess you are clear. This represents okay only. Now next one information. This represented. This also represented here, and this one also, and this one also, and this information here, and this information we write down here, right? So either here, okay, inside the rectangle but outside the circles, okay, complement 50x upon 100, right? This work is done. Notation, okay, representation. Representation is completed. The last one thing. This is the first part to be answered. Now second part. We have to find out the total number. Okay, we know this one formula. Okay, we will use n of m plus n of a minus n of m intersection a plus n of m union a whole complement. Means complement n of complement of m union a. This one formula we have to use. All right. So see, because okay, we have complement n of u, so all things okay. So we need okay a formula in which all things will come. So this one you need to memorize. Okay. So let's substitute the values. N of ux equals to 35x upon 100 plus 30x over 100 minus 3000 plus 50x over 100. So simple. X is equal to So you know base 100, 100, 100. So simple. So plus this plus this plus this, right? So simply you can do okay 50 plus 30, okay 80, and 80 plus 35. So simply, or you use calculator, 11. 115. X equals to 115. This plus this plus this. Okay, very simple. Okay, right? And a minus 3000. Or x minus 115 equals to 3000. Or here 100x. Now let's take LCM. You get 100x minus 115x over 100 equals to 3000, right? Or it's very easy now. 100x minus 115 minus 15 over 100 equals to 3000, right? Or negative a. Here also negative sign. I forgot to write down. Okay. So x equals to 3000 times 100 over 15. You will get here 15, and 15 to the 30, 2000 times 100 means 20,000. A, so 2,800, 200, so 20,000. 20,000. 20,000. So this will be the total number of students, right? So therefore we can write down, finally you will write down, therefore total number of students is equal to 20,000. This will be the final answer, right? So I hope you understood how to find the solution of these type of questions, right? So very easy, all right? So so I've told you the clearly, and each and every steps very carefully and clearly and lucid way, in very easy way, all right? So if any problem, you can tell me, so I'll try to make again next video, right? Okay, till then, stay at home, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.